Question number 2 is Navin wants to deposit 4 lakhs in a bank for 2 years. The bank offers 10% per annum compound interest with 3 alternatives: annual, half yearly and quarterly compound interest. Which option among the 3 alternatives helps Navin to get more interest? Okay friends, so here the quarterly will give him more interest. Let us check how it is so. So first of all, let me tell you, if 100 rupees is kept for 100%, okay, the rate money is 100 and the rate of interest is 100%, then annual compound interest gives 100 plus 100, which makes 200. If it is kept in half yearly compound interest, then it will be 100 times 1 plus 100 by 200 power 2, because 1 year is equal to 2 half years, so it gives you 100 into 1.5. This one gives you 0.5 square. Okay, so it is equal to 100 into 2.25, which is 225. So here in comparison we see that annual compound interest is less than half yearly compound interest. Similarly, the quarterly compound interest will be greater than half yearly compound interest as well as annual compound interest. So our answer will be half yearly compound interest, half yearly compound interest. Okay, I hope you understood this question and the solution. Now let's check the second question. How much compound interest does he receive after 2 years compounded semi-annually? Semi-annually means it is half yearly. Okay, so here we have principal is 4 lakhs, rate is 10%, time is 2 years, and we have to find the compound amount by semi-annual compound interest rate, semi-annual compound interest rate. Compounded amount equal to, we have the formula P times 1 plus R by 200 power 2t. So principal is 4 lakhs into 1 plus rate is 10 by 200, and 2 into time is 2 years, and finally we have 4 lakhs times 1 plus 0.05 power 4, and this is equal to 4 lakhs into 1.05 power 4. And friends, if you calculate this, then you are going to get 4 lakh 86,202.5, and this is the compound amount by semi-annually compounded interest rate for 2 years. Now let's check question number C. And question number C is, at the end of 1 year, if Navin withdraws the total amount received according to the semi-annual compound interest and deposit it for the rest of period, then get quarterly compound interest, how much amount will he get at the end? So friends, here for the 2 years Navin invested his amount in the semi-annual compound interest for 1 year, and later he invested the amount in quarterly compound interest, and at the end of 2 years what will be the total amount we have to find. So okay, so for the first case we are going to do is for case 1, P is 4 lakhs, okay, and then we have a rate is 10%, time is 1 year, okay, by semi-annually compound interest. The compounded amount will be CA equal to P times 1 plus R by 200 power 2t, and we have 4 lakhs times 1 plus 10 by 200 power 2 into 1. This is equal to 4 lakhs into 1 plus 0.05. If we calculate this, 0.05. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, and if you calculate this, then you will get 4,41,000. Okay, now what will Naveen do? He will withdraw this all the amount, and in the beginning of second year he will invest this amount to the quarterly compound interest. So now we have the case 2. For case 2, we have the principal as 4,41,000 and rate of interest is 10%, and time we have 1 year, and this one is by quarterly compound interest, okay. The compounded amount will be P times 1 plus R by 400 power 40. So this will be 441,000 times 1 plus 10 by 400 power 4 into 1. We have 441,000 times 1.025 power 4. And friends, if you calculate this, you are going to get 4,86,781.48. So the amount which he is going to get will be 4,86,781.48. This is our answer.